Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn.